What is up, guys? Stackable Gold here, and today I do apologize for my voice, but I just got a request on to do a what was it? To do the kits plugin. So it's quite simple on how to do how to have kits. You do need Rocket installed for your server. If you don't know If you don't know what Rocket is, I'm going to put a link somewhere on the screen right now, and it's going to stay up there until we get the plugin installed, I think. I'm not sure. Um, but it'll be up there. Just click that, and it'll take you to a video on how to set up a Rocket server. So this is it right here. So I'll have this in the description. So I'm just going to download the latest one. Um,
Okay, so it's Unturned up or no?
No, because I'm
Okay.
just doing the kits now.
Okay.
So you'll download it. Um, Once you download it, all you need to do is open the zip file up, and you'll have a DLL. What you do with that DLL is you take it, you go locate your unturned server folder. So servers, locate your main server that you want to install on Rocket, and then plugins. If you don't have that, it's because you don't have Rocket installed. Like I said, there was a link on the screen a while back that you could have clicked. And that's pretty much it on how to install this plugin. Um, go back over here. Go back over here, and there's the default configuration, and we'll be using that later on. But that's it. If you want to charge money for the kits, there's also, you can get economy, and it's kind of simple. It's gonna ask like if you want to charge it, but if you don't have economy or don't want to get it, just put 0, and it will ignore it. Um, so now we just gotta run the unturned server and then close it down, and then we can get to the configuration. Like I said, I do apologize for my voice. I just woke up and I'd just like to get this video done. Had a long night. And is this thing gonna open up? Because it takes so long. Normally it doesn't. Here we go. And now we should be good. So now that we did that, we can back out. And guess not. I guess we weren't good. I guess we were not good to exit out. That was my fault. Gotta leave it run until it gets fully loaded. There is also a couple other plugins out there, but the Kit plugin is uh, used on most servers. So it's easy to use, and if it's easy to find it on the Rocket website as well. But if someone asks for it, I'll do it. Hopefully, if it's not too complicated. This was simple. Um, that's really what I've got to much. That's how much. Really, that's all I got to say about it. Um, I don't have anything else to say until we get some response from the server because it's not giving me any response. Because what it should be doing right now is it should be loading certain stuff up. Um, so while we're at it, what we need to do is once we see this, we're good. And it's gonna load the command kits. So the first things first, we gotta assign it for the users. So we gotta look at it, and what we'll do is You can do it a couple of ways. Kit star, and that will give them access to all the kits. Uh, Kit.name. I'm going to do kit star to make it simple. I don't think you can do any wrong by doing that. So let's go back into the we need to open up the permissions.config, not the command.fig. So open up permissions.config. I'm just going to use Redpad, but you can use your note editor of your choice. All right, let's see what we got here. This is the permissions file, and here's the VIP group, but what we're looking for is for the default group. And for commands, what we need to do is we need to do the following. We need to put in what it says for the commands. We'll do command, and then we'll do kits.star. Now, let me double check that. It's kit.star, my bad. So it's kit.star, and then we'll end it out. So kits, no, my bad, no, command, and that is it for that. I'm trying to check if I did this right, since I'm hardly awake yet, and that is correct. Correct. So we'll save that, and then we can go into plugins and open up the kits folder and the configuration. The translation, don't mess with that. It will know how to handle it, hopefully. And what we are looking for is there are some kits in here already. Uh, what we need to do is if you don't have economy installed, we need to take away the money area. So what we need to do is we just delete it. Also, if you have economy installed, leave it there. Economy is pretty simple to install, so I think there's only two things needed for that. And I keep messing up. There we go. So, I'm not going to do that, but you guys, if you want economy. And then cooldown is in seconds. So what we need to do is if you want to change the cooldown, just simply type in, say I'm on to 24 hours and in in seconds. Um, and then of course I use Google, and that's what it would be right there. But I'm not gonna modify the cooldown. You can, you don't have to though. Um, so it looks like the basic format. So what we need to do is like boot first. It's like you get a vehicle. Um, whatever you're gonna do. If you want to know how to create it, what we need to do is we're just going to select one, and then where it says kit, where it ends the kit, is we're just going to copy that, and then we need to go right here. Now, is that correct? Because it's the two kits. Kits. So what we need to do is where it says kits part, you just paste it there. And then you have what you need, and we're going to call this, guess we'll call this the sniper kit. So sniper, and it's kind of simple actually. For a vehicle, you just put the vehicle and then the number. So it's pretty simple to do, but I'm just doing this. It gives you 30 money, but I don't want to do that because I don't have economy installed, and I don't want to install it right now. Now for items, we'll go to the Unturned wiki. It's quite simple to get to the Unturned wiki. All you need to do is go to all you need to do actually is just type in unturned Ricky in Google, and it'll usually is the first result. And so this is it. What we need to type in now is ID, and we should get a list of IDs, which is right here. And this is where you're gonna go for the IDs. Of course, IDs could change. Like number 12, I believe, was a knife, and that got changed, I believe, because there was something for number 12, but you can't do anything about it if it gets changed. Just go back in and change the ID. Uh, so what I'm looking for is usually there's a thing up here, but it's not there today. Um, just going to do Alt I'm going to do F3 because I'm in Firefox. And what I'm looking for is a couple of things. I'm looking for the sniper rifle and some clothing. Actually, you can go there to get it, but what I'm going to do, because since this is taking so long to do it, is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to type in unturned camo. I believe that's what it's called. Unturned hats, I guess. Um, Not sure because it's like this camo, but to make it simple, I think what we're going to do. All right, here we go. See, there's a cap. So go to the second page of it, and we'll find out the name because it shows us all the hat names. And it's not here, is it? Let me click it first. Bit. Is this right? Okay, yeah, no, that's not it. But we're just going to search up a unturned sniper, and I'm just going to grab that. Yeah, I'm just going to grab a simple one. I don't really care which one they get, and I think we'll just go for this one, the Timber Wolf. And so the ID is 18. And so we'll just do the ID of 18. So what we need to do is come back and put in the ID of 18. So we'll do 1-8, and we're gonna give them one amount. I'm gonna figure out the ammo it needs because we're gonna give them a couple rounds of ammo. So what we need to do is we'll copy this right here, and we'll do unturned timber rolls ammo. And usually you can find it like that. And it's a timber wolf magazine is what we're looking for. Um, what's the ID? Um, so what we need to do is we need to go to the ID page now, and hopefully it works. ID list page now, and hopefully it works this time. Um, so you get to the ID list page, everything's good on that. Um, all we're looking for is the ID list page, and what we're going to do is hit F3 and then search in the desired item. So I'm going to hit F3 and I'm going to put in Timberwolf, and it is right there. So it's number 20. So I'm gonna give them two, I guess. No, um, 20, and what we'll do is guess 10. I do also suggest on getting the loadout. Just search up on YouTube how to set loadout on Unturned, how to set loadouts on Unturned server. But really, this is it for this video. You don't have to. I'm going to set a cooldown of 10 minutes on this because I don't want this to be abused too much. So like I said, you just go to Google or search up 10 minutes in seconds. And someone fix their sound, please. So it's 600 seconds. So what we'll do is we'll take it and we'll put it in there. Now that's 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes. And that is it for this video. We'll save it. And it's popping up this mostly because the server's probably running in the background. If it does pop up that, then what we need to do is we need to go to Task Manager and we need to find it and see if it's open. Another reason why it pops this up is it's because this thing hates me. Now, if it's not open, then I don't know what to say, really. Just for safety measures, select all of it and copy it. Save, say yes, and hopefully that worked. Now, there's a couple of ways to tell if it didn't. One is by going back into the kit file and seeing if you go down there, if it's there, which it is, so we're good on that. Now all we need to do is launch the Unturned server and see if it works out. So we'll launch it, and then after that, we'll see if it works, and then we'll end the video there. So it's booting up now. When you add more plugins, it does take longer to boot. I don't know what to tell you on that. It's just does that. Also, I gotta thank you. Fine. So we'll wait for this to boot up, and then we'll hop into Unturned server. Um, takes a while to boot once you add more plugins into it, but over time it'll get faster, and it's quite simple. So now what we need to do is we'll need to come in here, go to our Steam. Well, I always test it. You don't have to, but we'll launch Unturned and see if it is working. Like it says in there, kits optional dependency economy is not present, so I'm not using any money to my knowledge. I don't know if XP will work or not, but vehicles and stuff should work. Oh, so really, that's it. If this thing would load, it likes to take its time to when loading. Sometimes Steam thinks that this is the actual thing right here, and it's not. But don't tell me it's not gonna open it. Yeah, figures. So if that happens, just launch Unturned first. It's a pain in the butt. Um, Usually it doesn't happen, but you can't stop Steam from doing what it wants to do. Says there's another one in the background already. Task manager. So it might have not popped up the window, which happens as well. And oh, wow. Okay, it popped up. Um, you may not be able to see it because, yeah, no, I wasn't clicking on that. Huh. See if I can minimize this. It should work. Ah, gosh. This lag is unbearable. It should work anyways. If it doesn't work, check over and see what you did wrong. But I know it works because the plugin loaded. If plugin doesn't load, you did something wrong, I think. Um, just delete the plugin files except for the plugin DLL itself, and then and then go through and do it again. Until I do the next video, uh, that's really it for this one. I'm sorry if this video was a bit dull. Like I said, I woke up how long ago, so yeah. Until then, see you later, guys.